this one-way ride. We're all on it, got to give it a go. All we got is hope. Don't you know? Wipe the floor of yesterday. You can change it anyway. And you're never alone, never alone. Doesn't matter what they say, doesn't really matter what they do. Let go, baby, let me breathe it now. Let go, breathe it now. Doesn't matter where I go, heart still open, cannot close. Let go, baby, let me breathe it now. Let go, breathe it now. Took my head out of the sand. We're all in it, better. Open your eyes, see the open sky. Don't you know? Shake whatever brings you down, all that ties you to the ground. Cause you're never alone, never alone. Doesn't matter what they say, doesn't really matter what they do.
She sees only the ground. She doesn't know which one of us is pushing her. She's tied to the ground, someone's holding it down, and no one seems to care about her lying there. She's trying not to cry, all the people walk by. Am I the only one taking note of her? They feel no regret, her clothes are all wet. She doesn't have a clue what to do. I go, I don't want it to be like that. In our neighborhood, in our neighborhood, I don't want you to feel that bad. In our neighborhood, in our neighborhood. She's turning her head, her face is all red. She's looking at me as if I was fooling her. Why can't she see all the love inside me? I would never do a thing to hurt her. After a while, I'm sensing a smile. I reach her hand to pull her from the dirty ground. Then I hear a roar, her head hits the floor. Everyone is suddenly they're kicking her. I go, I don't want it to be like that. In our neighborhood, in our neighborhood, I don't want you to feel that bad. In our neighborhood, in our neighborhood.
awake on a Saturday night. I should've gone to bed, but I am feeling alright. I'm thinking about us, girl, and I hate that we fight. Regretting what's been said and done. I guess I really need to tell you how I'm feeling inside. Even if I try, can't get you out of my mind. Suddenly it's obvious that you're the one. Listen what I say, are you ready or not? Time to step it up, give it all you got. I'll be on my way, waiting outside your door. You are all I want and more. And girl, I know we're better than the rest together. So much more, it ain't better to be alone. Let me show you what it's like to step into my life. Don't you fight this feeling if it's right. Just hold on and never let go. We're better together. Up the door, you know who I am. I wanna make it up to you and I've got a plan. I'm sorry if I hurt you, so please understand. Can change what has been said and done. Guess I really need to tell you how I'm feeling inside. Even if I try, can get you out of my mind. Suddenly it's obvious that you're the one. Listen what I say, are you ready or not? Time to step it up, give it all you got. I'll be on my way, waiting outside your door. You are all I want and more. And girl, I know we're better than the rest together. So much more, it ain't better to be alone. Let me show you what it's like to step into my life. Don't you fight this feeling if it's right. Just hold on and never let go. We're better together. Together. But this is how it goes. This is how it changed. You are like no other. I can't get enough. Listen what I say, are you ready or not? Time to step it up, give it all you got. I'll be on my way, waiting outside your door. You are all I want and more. And girl, I know we're better than the rest together. So much more, it ain't better to be alone. Let me show you what it's like to step into my life. Don't you fight this feeling if it's right. Just hold on and never let go. We're better together. Together.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can get. If I could stop the time